Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Tricks. And today I will be showing you how I've automated the drip irrigation system for our home garden and through all this piping. So I got this device online, which is very helpful. It's a timer. You can just connect it to any pipe. From here you get two extra threads based on your pipe size. So this review is after 3 years of using it. I usually like to do reviews after 1 year instead of immediately, because after 1 year you can come to know exactly how is the product. So so it comes with around 4 buttons, which has escape, manual, rain delay, and setup, and the plus and minus. So if you click on setup, if you press setup button, you will get these options here. So this will be your time, where when you buy the device you set it to the particular time of your location, and then you have the irrigation setup, which is over here. What time do you want the water to start irrigating and for how long? So I have currently set mine for 8 minutes. And how often? So since it's winter, I've kept it for 1 day, and this section over here tells you what time is the next irrigation. So if you click setup again, it starts blinking. So this is where you can set your time and use this to adjust it. Again, click setup. You keep on pressing setup and it moves to the next. So here also you can adjust your time by pressing this of the irrigation time, then how long you want, 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 6 minutes. Again, if you want to go to the next one, press setup. So this is 24 hours. If you want every 23 hours, you can move it to that, or keep it to 1 day. They have 1 day, 2 days, 5 days, 1 week, and then if you're done with it, just press setup and it gets set. So for this you get batteries right behind, which is here, you can see. So there are 3 batteries over there, 3 AA batteries. So that lasted me for around a year or 2 years actually. So go ahead and add this to your drip irrigation system. It's really helpful. You don't need to go with the pipe and water it. You can just add it. See, then water drips of water will come out for your plants in your grow bags or your garden, your home garden. When I bought it, it cost me around 4,000 to 5,000. Now I've seen it online on the stores. It's available for 2,200. So hit the comments, hit the like if you like this. If you have any questions, do ask in the comments. Thank you.